Kiss Breakfast.
I've got you a gift, just a little thing. The other week we gave away something on the Is It. It was called a snore mender. Well,
Really?
they've been delivered and you have them here, so please try that tonight, see if it works. You guys are notorious for being bad at snoring.
Yeah,
and keeping
How are we
up the
going to know it
households.
works, Adam?
Well,
A snore mender.
Have you got one for my mum and dad? Because it's like, when I'm actually at home, it's like being in the middle of a rainforest.
It looks like you put this in your mouth.
This is a gum shield.
Shall I see
that's
it?
the snore mender. I didn't say I know how it works. I just said I'd get you one, and I've
Thanks,
got you
Dad.
one. So I want you to have a good night's sleep tomorrow.
I look
This is-
disgusting.
Charlie, I only got two. I'm sorry.
Well, what about my sleep pad?
I didn't think about that, and I'm sorry for that. But first things first, I want you to test this out tonight and let me know how. If
It's like something you wear if you grind your teeth at night, more than like if you snore. It's a gum shield.
I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll put it in your mouth. We'll take a picture of it right now.
It hurts. It hurts.
Oh, let me
That's how
moan
it
into
stops
your
you from
mouth.
snoring, because you're awake because of the pain.
Kiss Breakfast.
Can't stop.
Ricky, Melvin, and Charlie in the morning.
Put your hands up.
Weekdays from 6 a.m.
Kiss.